got a fairly new Cherokee here. Pretty nasty damage to the fender. It's actually low from the bumper edge all the way through to about here. It's actually dented underneath this flare. The customer's adamant about me not taking the flare off. So I'm going to try to bring the body line up underneath of the flare, get that body line up, relieve some of this pressure, and get this nasty crown that runs along almost the whole front half of this flare. So let's see what we get. Alright guys, we're finishing with this repair. I did end up having to remove the flare due to how bad it was smashed in underneath the flare. There was no way for me to see where we were pushing at that body line. So it turned out pretty good. We got all of that crown out of there, got it pretty flat. Pretty complicated repair, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check you on the next one. See ya.